Hey guys, what's up? I'm currently here in the Los Glaciares National Park in Patagonia, having an awesome time. And since I spent the last 2.5 weeks exploring and hiking, I wanted to give you guys a little review of how the gear I took with me did over the course of time. So let's get started. Like basically all the other hikes, I did this one with the Globetrotter X-MAS 75% liters, and yeah, I really needed that extra space for all the camping gear and camera stuff I took with me. And no matter what kind of backpack you're taking with you on a trip to Patagonia, the fitting rain cover is really essential. Yeah, even if the weather forecast tells you it's gonna be a beautiful day, we had so many hikes with lots of heavy rain showers, so really keep that in mind to take it with you on such a trip. As you already saw in my previous video, I took the Werbung cap jacket and the cap trousers with me, and yeah, the wind here in Patagonia is pretty insane. We had days with wind gusts of over 110-120 kilometers per hour, and yeah, these products can really stand that wind. And when it started to rain, in addition to the wind, I was really happy to have the trousers as well as the jacket. Concerning the shoes, I think I did a really good decision on taking the Manuel Vacuum GTX with me. Yeah, they weren't too heavy, and even when it rained or we had some muddy trails, they really did a good job. So let's head back to the camp and I'll show you how my camping gear performed in Patagonia. So here we are back in the camp, preparing our delicious breakfast with the Primus Campfire cooking set, made out of stainless steel, which has the advantage that it doesn't deform, which is perfect. And this is our tent from the inside. The MSR Elixir 2, pretty spacious for 2 people, and with its 2 awnings, one here and one on the other side. It was just perfect to store backpacks in the night and to keep them from getting wet when it rained. Next we have the sleeping bag. Here I got the Mountain Equipment Classic 500, and I think I couldn't have chosen a better one for this trip, especially when the nights got a bit chillier than we actually thought. And as a little extra with this brand, when you got a girl or a boy by your side, you can easily zip them together and make the nights even cozier. Last but not least, we have the sleeping mat. Here I got the Freelufts RIS 3.8, and I'm quite happy with this one, as it barely took any space in my backpack, and yeah, it gave me the extra comfort I needed after a long, exhausting hike. So that's it, guys. Hope you liked this little review, and if so, let me know down in the comments. Smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe for more, and see you next time. Bye!